As we wait for that, let's just go on. Oh yeah, this is an interesting thing. Customization of the server. So I'm just going to look at this as I wait for the command to finish. Um, Customization of the server can be in many ways. This is from Tableau's own site. You can see you can change this logo. You can change this name. So always most Tableau servers just say Tableau Server. You can make this into Corporation XYZ, Dr. Evil's Corporation, whatever you want. You can easily change that. And you can change the logo here. Now with the logo, you have two options. You have this logo, which could be a bigger logo, and you have the logo when this menu is closed. So to show that, if I was in Tableau Server, I can change this logo, this one, which could be a long logo, or when I collapse this logo. So just we can have different logos if you wanted. Also, you can change this logo right here to be your corporation's logo, whatever you want, or your personal brand, whatever you prefer. So now I'm in, and those are the different customization options. Sadly, these customizations, you cannot do that from the TSM interface. Instead, you have to do it from the command line and with the files provided in a certain location.